Hey guys, a beginner can learn how to fly a drone. So I'm going to use my DJI Mini 2. I'm going to try 5 different ways of flying drones. Let's see how it goes. Then I'll fly some cinematic videos. It's a little windy today. So I just want to learn it today. Let's see how it goes. So it's all ready. I'm ready to fly. Let's see. Damn it! Is it good? Guys, I lost my drone, so rescue mission starts now. Hopefully I'll find my drone. I don't know. It's a lot of work. It's like on the other side. Let's see. Okay, thanks Nick for helping me finding my drone. Thank you so much. Really appreciate it.
Good one.
Thank you. I see you. So guys, finally found the drone, man. So you know how it fell? You see that tree? So I came from that side and hit the tree and fell right over here. You see this? Oh my god. So another 1 feet it would have fallen in the water. I'm so lucky I found it! Yeah! God. So nothing much. Only the propeller was like kind of broken. But that's fine. Everything else is fine. Ah, yeah! Successful! Successful! Alright, let's go. So, finally मिल गया. After walking like 2 miles. It's not too far though. Luckily, it did not fall into water. Nahi to, oh my god. I don't know. But guys, it's part of the cycle, right? When you try something new, you'll break it. Or you know, you fall down. Then again you learn and then again you walk. Can you remember this lake? We usually come to the lake near to our house. It's the same lake where I crashed my drone. Let's run. Sorry guys, I could not document or shoot all the videos while I'm searching my drone, because that time I was so tense whether I'm going to find my drone or not. So sorry for that, but yeah, finally I found my drone. That's it. I mean, I got it. Now once I go home, I'll see whether I can fly it or not. It started raining. Let's go. Raining. It's actually snowing. It's snowing. I found it. I found it. Okay, it started snowing also. So guys, I reached. So after, oh my god, after walking for almost 1 hour or more than 1 hour, right? Yeah, it's been more than 1 hour. It's like 2 miles, but finally I got it. Thanks God, मिल गया भाई. I'm so happy. Mission successful. Let's go home.